We got our scale here. We got our Tupperware containers. We got our fish being fried up. I like to use a little lemon and pepper on there. Let's put some peas with it. I use canned peas. All I do is heat up in the microwave. Cook them first. Drain them out later on after they're cooked. I heat up for 3 minutes just to make sure they're cooked. I got the rice pot on, making rice. So I'll have rice, chicken, and peas for a meal. And we'll see how much we got there and see how many grams we're going to go. Rice, we'll go with about 30 grams of rice. 60 grams of protein, which will be the fish, and a chicken. And then we're doing another 30 grams to 40 grams of asparagus or sweet peas. Take long to prep everything up. I'll eat 3 meals or so a day, maybe 2, maybe 4. All depends how much activity I got going on. If I feel feeling a little weak or I get a lot of weight training in, then I'll eat a little more. So we're going pretty good. Shouldn't have to wait too long then. Put these on and then we turn it on. Alright. So we don't want ounces, we want grams. There we go, grams. I'm going to set it 0. I'm going to say about 60 grams. I should have washed up the frying pan and took the peas out of the microwave. Put some more payment here and get the chicken going. I usually put about 4 pieces of chicken in a bag, that way I can get all in the frying pan at one time. And that'll make about 6 or 7 meals. So put it on here, we'll zero it back out again. And let's put 30 grams in there. You gotta watch, sometimes it shuts off when you reset, because the weights are a little different on each one. Got the chicken frying up, it'll fry up fine. Nice about a trailer, you know where everything's at, because nobody moves. And everything's close at hand. I'm going to put this back on, we'll zero it out again. And we'll go with 30 grams. Actually, I can cut down maybe 20 grams. Right, 2 grams difference there. Not bad. I'm averaging right here about 22 grams. Doesn't have to be exact, just so you have a roundabout figure, because you're feeling tired, just add more rice. Now usually I go with brown rice, but I figured I'd give myself a treat and go with white rice. Alright. Now you can see that's a meal. And those are done. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meals. We have the chicken all cut up. We have it in pieces. We got the asparagus there. We got the peas there. We're ready to put it together. Always put your bowl in there and you turn your meter on. You get your grams. Always zeros out. And that's what you want. So we want to do another 50 grams or so in here. 60 grams. There we go. 60 grams of chicken doesn't look like much. All depends how much you're used to eating. I mean, you can start a little heavier. Zero it out. So now we'll go with the rice. Not too hot anymore. Zero it out. And that's it. So that's how I prep my meals. And tune in next time, and we'll get some workout videos going.